It's a virtual semi-final, only in theory, but a semi-final nonetheless in the Hero Hockey India League 2025, because this match pits the JSW Surma Hockey Club against the Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers. It's a simple equation for the Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers. They can qualify at the expense of their opposition by winning by a clear margin of 5 goals or more. This is a poor pass and it's been given away. A first shot scoring opportunity. The first goal as well.
Another look at this will reveal that it was a loose ball that Charlotte Anglebert bounced upon. The merits of pressing high up the pitch. No one marking her. Went for the far post.
A chance, a great chance, yet another goal. Easy dink. And it's been a fantastic finish. Tina Bano with that.
It's the element of surprise yet again. This time the attack has stemmed from the right. And look at how deftly Tina Bano holds her nerve.
Gives another chance, goes for the reverse. It's gone in as well. It's a second for Anglebert. She is in fine fettle, and at the moment JSW Surma Hockey Club,
As it came, again Charlotte Anglebert could just veer into the circle completely unmarked. Sushila Chanu.
can she deny a fourth? No, she can't. It's placed with a lot of venom, with a lot of fury, and Anglebert has a third. It's 4-0 to Surma.
Charlotte Anglebert has been a real force of nature and then continued to play a silent, watchful role. And watch this. Cool, collected, and knew exactly where needed to go.
For Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers, it's a goal. It's a fantastic finish in the win. The goal coach's finish from Vandana Kataria, nothing less than what she deserves. However, it does look like JSW Surma
Really doesn't look like there was any problem there.
slap and a goal. Sushila Chanu with the shot. Shilpi Dabas, in fact, gets that shot in, and there was absolutely no stopping it. A good hard slap, and that's resulted in a goal.
Spotted a gap between the goalkeeper and the pole defender, and must say the rusher ought to have done better. Jyoti did not really cover her lines well enough. Veered off target.
They came sharp off the blocks, got those first 3 goals inside the first 17 minutes, and from there on there was only likely to be one winner in this match. However, there was a late fight back by Shrachi Rar Bengal Tigers, and the numbers tell you that it was quite an even contest in the second half, but the work had been done by the JSW Surma Hockey Club.